Good morning, Devashish.
Good morning, sir.
Creating the package service lana.
Okay, seriously.
Example for package body एटा service ला. एटा start हो.
Sir, it start होगा.
Okay. देखो. Create or replace package body. Package name is function validate. Function name देला ता माने variable declare कला then तमरा data type mention कला returns boolean is v underscore max underscore com employees dot commission percentile type begin package body start कला select max commission packed कोना एटा into v underscore max underscore com from employees return p underscore com between 0.0 and v underscore max underscore com and validate, right? एटा validate function तमरा use करा है. Procedure reset underscore com p underscore new underscore com number is begin. If validate p underscore new underscore com, then v underscore standard commission equal to p underscore name p underscore new column रे जहाँ value अच्छी सेटा तमरा pass हो एटा. एटा होची तमरा comment. इसको माने Oracle रे एटा तमरा comment आकारे create करा जाए. Then else raise application error तुम करे जदि एटा मोर satisfy हला ता जदि हला नहले एठी तुमको error शो करो. And if then end reset column and column package. The slide shows the complete package body for commission underscore package with a private function called validate to check for a valid commission. The validation requires that the commission be positive and less than the highest commission among existing employee. The reset underscore com procedure invokes the private validation function before changing the standard commission in the v underscore standard underscore commission. In the example, note the following. The v underscore standard commission variable referenced in the reset underscore com procedure is a public variable. Variable declared in the package specification such as v underscore standard commission can be directly referenced without qualification. The reset underscore com procedure implement the public definition in the specification. In the commission underscore package body, the validate function is private and is directly referenced from the reset underscore com procedure without qualification. Note that the validate function appears before the reset underscore commission procedure because the reset underscore commission procedure reference the validate function. It is possible to create forward direction for subprogram in the package body if their order of appearance need to be changed. If a package specification declares only types, constants, variables, and expression without any subprogram specification, then the package body is unnecessary. However, the body can be used to initialize item declared in the package specification, right? Invoking the package subprogram, for example, create or replace package body, package name dala is procedure reset kaha upare karibo seita bi dala is begin if validate p underscore new underscore column then v underscore standard commission equal to p underscore name माने एथरे जो validate आसीवर validate की data तमरा एथरे store करिवो or else and if तो else रे आउ किछि देलानी से डॉट डॉट माला तापर तमे जा भी एरर धर तम सेटा हेलानी जदी एरर जदी किछि पास करिया पे जासु तो else रे एरर तमे पास कर परिबो. Then commission reset टाकू end कला commission package टाकू end कला. Then ताकू जेता हम execute करिया को पड़िबो execute commission package dot reset column 0.15 तो सेटा देला value देला पारे सेटा तमर reset ये ऊपर and package ऊपर सेटा implement हो. Execute scott dot commission package dot reset column 0.15. After the package is stored in the database, you can invoke public or private subprogram within the same package or public subprogram if external to the package. Fully qualify the subprogram with its package name when invoked externally from the package. Use the package underscore name dot subprogram syntax. Fully qualifying a subprogram when invoked within the same package is optional. For example, invoke the validate function from the reset underscore commission procedure within the same package. The package name prefix is not required. It is optional. Example 2 calls the reset commission procedure from SQL star plus an environment external the package to reset the prevailing commission to 0.15 for the user section. Example 3 calls the reset underscore commission procedure that is owned by a schema user called Scott using SQL star plus. The qualified package procedure is prefixed within the schema name. This can be simplified by using the synonym that reference the schema dot package name. Assume that the database link named NY has been created for a remote database in which the reset underscore commission package procedure is created. To invoke the remote procedure, use execute commission package dot reset commission NY तापर 0.15 ता value टा देला बुझला. Invoking the package subprogram using SQL developer. एटा गला SQL star plus SQL developer देखो राइट क्लिक करिवो तमरो पैकेज ये ऊपर रन करिवो रन कला पर तमरो एठी आसीबो राइट. तो एठी तमरो कमिशन पैकेज डॉट रीसेट कमिशन 0.15 देला से देन सेटा तमरो एक माने एग्जीक्यूट हेके एठी आसीबो देन ओके करिवो ओके गले तमरो एग्जीक्यूट हे राइट. एटा होचे SQL डेवलपर से जो क्वेरीटा हैला SQL star plus right. You can use SQL developer to invoke a package subprogram as follows. Right click the package name in the package node in the navigation tree. Select run from the floating menu. The run PLSQL window is displayed. You can use the run PLSQL window to specify parameter values for running a PLSQL function or procedure. If you specify a package, select a function or procedure in the package, specify the following. Target, select the name of the function or procedure run. Parameter, this section lists each parameter for the specified target. The mode of each parameter can be in, right? In the value is passed in, right? In keyword meaning hochi the value is passed to in. Out keyword means the value is written, or in or out the value is passed in and the result of the function or procedure action is stored in the parameter. In the PLSQL block section, change the formal in and in out parameters specification in this block to actual values that you want to use for running the function or procedure. For example, to specify 0.15 as the value for an input parameter named p underscore new underscore commission, change p underscore new underscore commission is greater than to the माने एठी SQL डेवलपर असाइन करिया पे कोन करा जाय इक्वल देन मोर ग्रेटर देन सिंबल दे जाय एटा भाबियोन जे ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू हैला राइट एटा पॉइंटिंग करा जाय p underscore new underscore commission to p underscore new underscore commission assigned to the 0.15 values. Click OK. SQL developer runs the function or procedure, right? Creating and using bodiless package. जोटा तमरो बॉडी जोटा दबो सेटा तमे क्वेरी लिखिया पर बॉडीलेस पैकेज रे जोटा बॉडी नाही तो कोन करिवो क्रिएट और रिप्लेस पैकेज नेम इज दला कांस्टेंट दला नंबर दला वैल्यू पास करला राइट इथरे मोर बॉडी नाही राइट सेट सर्वर आउटपुट ऑन बिगिन dbms underscore output dot put underscore line पास करला से तार किलोमीटर हिसाब रे तार से पास करला वैल्यू पास करला. Set server output on create function mtr to wired pm underscore number returns number is begin return p underscore m into global underscore constants dot c underscore meter underscore 2 underscore yard and mtr to yard execute dbms output dala se mtr2 word को से execute करिवो जो value टा मोर एठी आसी से जे ए जो 1 रो पैरामीटर जो value टा पास करछि सेटा कोठी आसी p underscore name कोन करिवो ग्लोबल रे इनटू करिवो बुझला The variable and constant declared within the standalone subprogram exit only for the duration that the subprogram execute. The provide data that exit for the duration for the user section. Create a package specification containing public, global, variable and constant declaration. In this case, create a package specification without a package body known as bodiless package. As discussed earlier in this lesson, if a specification declare only types, constant, variable, and exception, then the package body is unnecessary. For example, the first code box in the slide create a bodiless package specification with several constants to be used for convention rates. A package body is not required to support this package specification. It is assumed that the set server output on statement was issued before execute the code example in the slide. The second code box reference the C underscore mile underscore 2 underscore kilo constant in the global constant package by prefixing the package name to the identifier of the constant. The third example, create a standalone function C underscore mtr2 yard to convert meters to yards, and user the constant conversion rate C underscore meter underscore 2 underscore yard declare in the global underscore constant package. The function is invoked in the dbms underscore output dot put underscore line parameter, right? Ithre mate output show kari. Rule to be followed: when the referencing a variable, cursor, constant or exception from outside the package, you must qualify it with the name of the package, right? Removing package using SQL developer or SQL drop statement, right? तुम जदि पैकेज टाको रिमूव करिवार अछि ताले SQL developer थ्रू रिमूव करि परिबो या फिर तुम डायरेक्टली कोड लिखि परिबो ड्रॉप पैकेज नेम हला। तो एठी कोन करिवो राइट क्लिक करिवो से पैकेज ऊपर एठी ड्रॉप पैकेज अछि ड्रॉप पैकेज तमे करिवो एंड ड्रॉप पैकेज बॉडी तमे जदि रिमूव करिया पे जाउछो राइट क्लिक करिकि ड्रॉप पैकेज बॉडी तमे यूज करि परिबो। Removing package: when a package is no longer required, you can use the SQL statement in SQL developer to remove it. A package has two parts, therefore you can remove the whole package or you can remove only the package body and return the package specification. Viewing package using the data dictionary: select text from user source where name equal to commission underscore package and type equal to package, order by line, right? तो एटा को एक्सिक्यूट कले तमरो से टेक्स्ट आकार से शो करिवो. Then select text from user underscore source where name equal to commission package and type equal to package body, order by line. The source code for PLSQL package is also stored in the user underscore source and all underscore source that dictionary views. The user underscore source table is used to display PLSQL code that you want. The all underscore source table is used to display PL underscore SQL SQL code to which you have been generated. The execute write by the owner that the subprogram code and provides owner column in the addition to the preceding column. When querying the package, use a condition in which the type columns is equal to package to display the source code for the package specification, right? Equal to package कला पर तमरो package specification source specification तमु show करी. Equal to package body to display the source code for the package body, right? You can also view package specification and body in SQL developer using the package name in the package mode. Note that you cannot display the source code for Oracle PLSQL built-in package or PLSQL whose source code has been wrapped by using the wrap utility or obfuscation. The obfuscation and wrapping PLSQL source code is covered in a later section. Clicking the execute statement click F9 icon instead for run script icon. In the SQL worksheet toolbar, sometimes display a better formatted output in the result tab as shown in the slide example, right? Viewing package using SQL developer, देखो राइट क्लिक करियो पैकेज ऊपर पैकेज क्लिक करियो सिंपल राइट क्लिक नो सिंपल तार आइकन को क्लिक करिवो जोटा प्लस हेकी थिबो सी एक्सपांड हबो पैकेज रो बॉडी तमर एक्सपांड हबो देन एठी तमर पैकेज ना आसीबो एठी आपको राइट क्लिक करिवो राइट क्लिक कला पर आर सोर्स कोड तुमको मिली जिवो राइट देन सोर्स कोड मिलला पर तापर तमे ताको एक्जीक्यूट करि परिबो या फिर टू व्यू द पैकेज बॉडी एटा होची मोर पैकेज स्पेसिफिकेशन एटा होची पैकेज बॉडी तो पैकेज रे क्लिक करियो पैकेज बॉडी ऊपर राइट क्लिक करिवो ओपन करिवो तार तार सोर्स कोड ता तुमको मिली जिवो बुझला viewing package using SQL developer to view package specification in SQL developer use the following step click the package node in the connection tab click the package name and the package specification code is displayed in the code tab as shown in the slide the view package body in SQL developer use the following step click the package node in the connection tab click the package body the package body code is displayed in the code tab as shown in the slide guideline for writing package develop package for general use define the package specification before the body the package specification should contain only those constructs that you want to be public place item in the declaration part of the package body then throughout a section or across transaction the fine grain dependency management reduce the need to recompile referencing subprogram when a package specification changes. The package specification should contain as few constructs as possible. It was a guideline, right? The keep your package as general as possible so that they can reused in future application. Also avoid writing package that duplicate features provided by the Oracle server. Package specification reflect the design of your application. So define them before defining the package bodies. The package specification should contain only those constructs and that must be visible to the user of the package. Thus, other developer cannot misuse the package by basing code on irrelevant details. Place item in the declaration part of the package body when you must maintain them throughout a section or across transaction. For example, declare a variable called number underscore employee as a private variable if each cell to a procedure that use the variable needs to be maintained. When the declare as a global variable in the package specification, the value of that global variable is initialized with section. The first time to construct from package is invoked. Before Oracle Database 11g changes, the package body did not require recompilation of dependent construct, whereas changes to the package specification require the compilation for every store subprogram that reference the package. Oracle Database 11g reduced this dependency. Dependencies are now tracked at the level of element within the unit. The fine-grained dependency management is covered in the later lesson. Working with package and kali padibo.